Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, August 18, 2023. Today's video is about hazelnut. The hazelnut is the fruit of the hazel tree, including all nuts of the genus Corylus, especially those of the species Corylus avellana. Hazelnuts are used as a snack food, in baking and desserts, breakfast cereals such as muesli, confectionery, and also in combination with chocolate for chocolate truffles and products such as chocolate bars, Nutella and Frangelico liqueur. Hazelnut oil, pressed from hazelnuts, is strongly flavored and high in monounsaturated fat. It is used as a cooking oil and as a salad or vegetable dressing. Turkey is the world's largest producer of hazelnuts, accounting for 64% of total production in 2021. This photograph shows two whole hazelnuts alongside two kernels, one of which is peeled. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.